Do you want to customize your iPhone ringtones and various alerts so you don't have the same boring default sounds as everyone else? Watch this video to find out how. To begin, open your iPhone settings and then scroll down and tap Sounds and Haptics. You can then customize the sound played for a variety of notifications. For any type of notification you want to change the sound for, tap it. So let's go down to New Voicemail as an example. Scroll down to see a list of tone options. If you have any custom ringtones, they will appear at the top of the list. Check out our tutorial on how to make any song your iPhone ringtone to learn about how to add these. Now tap any tone to hear a preview of what it sounds like. Once you find one you like, tap it to select it. You see a blue check mark beside the sound you've selected. You can then tap Sounds in the top left corner to go back. Continue going through each type of notification and selecting the sound you want to use for each one in the same manner. Now, selecting the sound you want to use for each one, we can go to a specific contact. So first, open up your Contacts app, then tap the name of the contact you'd like to add a custom tone for. For this, I've just used Apple Ink as an example. Now, tap Edit in the top right corner, and to change the ringtone, select Default besides ringtone, and select any ringtone you would like to use. Now, when this specific contact calls you, this specific ringtone will play. You can continue to rinse and repeat for all the contacts you want special ringtones for. That's it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe for more.